Hey guys, this is Skyforce95 here with a nice practical item for everybody can take advantage of. This is a glass container, good for meal prep storage, for packing a lunch, anything. So I previously had a different kind of Tupperware. It was all plastic and I really liked that, except when it started to get really difficult to clean and then some odors started to build up in it. Plastic tends to absorb these types of odors pretty easily. So I decided to take a look into glass containers because not only are they much easier to clean, but they don't really suck in all those odors as easily as plastic. So of course the lid is still plastic, but what I do like about the lid is the way that it actually snaps into place over the glass bottom half. Is actually there's a small rim that's kind of like compressible as opposed to a more of a sealant type. It's a little bit difficult to explain with words, but just comparing it with my previous container, I think you can see what I mean. The blue ridges on the glass container is much more effective in my opinion to just clean and maintain as opposed to the yellow version with just a little kind of overhang design. So the particular product that I bought is off Amazon and it came in a 3-pack for around $17. So it's roughly $6 a piece, which is pretty reasonable compared to some of the other Tupperware that I've seen in grocery stores that can cost as much as like $10 each. So I think it's a pretty good value here. In terms of the size and capacity, its diameter is approximately 6 inches and then it's a little bit under 3 inches in depth. So you can fit a good amount in here. I like to use this when I'm bringing anything just for like packing my lunch and also like storing rice for another day. So it's really good, like the name implies, for meal prep and then also for just other types of food storage that you might want to use. I personally like to wash all of my stuff by hand, but if you really needed to, and of course if you buy a bunch of these, they can still be used with dishwasher, so that's perfectly fine. But though, of course, this is made out of glass, so just a fair warning to those people who don't really know too much about the expansion and thermal properties of glass. So it can resist very extreme temperatures, but you definitely don't want to, say, take it straight from the microwave and pop it directly into the refrigerator, because that can cause sudden brittle failure. So that, in other words, the glass might explode when you try to open it next time, or it just might just crack, just because there's a huge swing in temperature, so the material cannot handle that. So just a fair warning to make sure if you're either heating it up or cooling it down that you give it sufficient time to let it kind of at least try to get around room temperature before you switch to the next temperature environment. So yeah, I totally can pretty much recommend this to anybody. I really like the design that it's stackable even, so you can definitely save some space in your fridge. And it's a circular design with no corners, so again, it's really easy to clean. So it's very versatile, something that everybody can take advantage of, especially for those of us who are doing meal preps. This is definitely something to go towards, to move away from plastic and really go towards glass, which is much more durable. Alright, the link as usual will be in the description, so you guys can check that out. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a like, it'd be greatly appreciated, and make sure to subscribe to my channel Skyforce95 if you haven't already to get more content like this. Or if you're watching this on Amazon, head over to my channel URL right here, or just search it up on YouTube Skyforce95. There you'll see a bunch of my product reviews and unboxings. Feel free to browse, or if you want to search for something specific, just hit that search field. That'll do it for this video. This is Skyforce95. Thanks for watching.